YouTube. Welcome, YouTube. It's your boy, Fila Hemi Life. Now I'm in a C8. Let me give you some nighttime shots of the beauty. And you can see all her beauty. Behold the presence of greatness. Ooh, look how nice it's looking. Look how nice we looking. Looking beautiful as usual. Check it out, check it out. I must admit that high wing spoiler brung it out. I don't know, I do these cars well. Even look at that color. I crush that. Like, this is the things I be doing. Like, got real style with this. I had the roof wrap and the carbon flash. Let me see if I don't know if you can. Oh, you see the sparkles? See the sparkles? That's carbon flash. Like this, you see those sparkles? Yeah, I had that done. I had that done. That's Fila. That's Fila. Listen, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bells so y'all know when I post videos.